Hello and welcome to our AI Weekly Debrief for the week ending July 27th, 2025. Let's dive right in. We start with the monumental achievement. For the first time, AI has performed at a gold medal level at the International Mathematical Olympiad, the world's most challenging and prestigious math competition for high school students. What's fascinating is that we saw two different paths to the same incredible result. OpenAI's model used what is called massively scaled test time compute. You can think of this as having a huge team of mathematicians brainstorming countless possible solutions at once to find the correct ones. It solved an amazing 5 out of 6 problems. On the other hand, Google's Gemini Deep Think model worked more like a human mathematician. It operated entirely in natural language, reasoning its way through the problems step by step, all within the official contest time limit. This is not just about solving math problems, it's a huge leap forward for AI. It demonstrates a new level of sustained, creative, and logical thinking that we have never seen before. Shifting from the technical to the political landscape, the Trump administration has unveiled a sweeping new action plan for AI. The strategy is built on three core pillars, all aimed at achieving what the administration calls the global dominance in AI. First, accelerating innovation. This involves cutting regulations to help AI companies develop and deploy new technologies faster. Second, building infrastructure. The plan calls for expediting permits for the construction of data centers, which are the physical backbones of the AI industry. And third, international diplomacy. This is a two-part strategy. The US aims to lead global AI initiatives while also banning what it terms woke AI from being purchased by the federal government. You'll find a link in the description if you're interested in learning more about the AI action plan. Now, for a product release that could change how we all work, OpenAI has launched its new ChatGPT Agent, and it marks the most significant evolution we have seen from a chatbot to a true digital coworker. This is far more than just being a tool for answering questions. The ChatGPT agent can autonomously perform complex tasks from start to finish with minimal supervision. For example, if you navigate your calendar to schedule meetings, generate entire presentations, execute code to perform analysis, and synthesize research from multiple documents. This represents a major step forward of autonomous AI assistance. Now, as these tools become more powerful, their integration into the workplace is accelerating. This week, Microsoft took a firm stance by making the use of its AI tools mandatory for all employees. The message is clear, summed up in a company wide memo. Using AI is no longer optional, it's core to every role and every level. Managers are now instructed to evaluate and use these internal AI services. This policy change comes as AI is already having a massive impact on the company's operations. AI now writes 30% of Microsoft's code. It also follows the difficult news of 9,000 job cuts at the company earlier this month, which we reported in one of our earlier shows on the AI with our own show. Now, of course, all of these AI progress requires an immense amount of computing power. In Japan, SoftBank has just launched a colossal AI computing platform to establish itself as a leader in the field. To give you a sense of the scale, the platform features a single cluster with over 4,000 of NVIDIA's most advanced Blackwell GPUs. In total, the facility houses over 10,000 GPUs, delivering a staggering 13.7 exaflops of computing power. It's a system built for the future, designed to develop advanced Japanese language AI models and support the country's entire AI ecosystem. This isn't just a commercial venture. Japan's government has certified the platform as critical national security infrastructure, highlighting SoftBank's ambition to be a key provider for the future of AI. From computing infrastructure to the creative industries, AI is also making its mark on Hollywood. Netflix has become the first major studio to use generative AI, Gen AI, for on screen visual effects in its new series El Donata. This new technique allows the studio to create complex VFX scenes 10 times faster and at a fraction of the cost of traditional methods. But according to co CEO Ted Sarandos, the goal is not just about saving money. He states that AI helps creators make films and series better, not just cheaper. Beyond final effects, artists are also using AI for pre visualization to map out scenes, and the company continues to experiment with AI powered personalized content for its viewers. Zooming out to the global scale, the World AI Conference opened this week in Shanghai. The theme this year is Global Solidarity in the AI Era. And interestingly, despite ongoing geopolitical tensions, the event has brought together AI leaders from around the world. The conference serves two key purposes. It's a platform for fostering international cooperation, but it's also a powerful showcase for China's continued progress in AI, even in the face of US sanctions. One of the notable initiatives launched at the event is a global youth AI competition, which encourages young innovators to use AI to tackle the UN's Sustainable Development Goals. Returning to high impact applications, Microsoft has revealed a new AI diagnostic platform that has achieved stunning results. The platform, called MAI DXO, showed an 85% accuracy rate when diagnosing complex medical case studies. In the same studies, the average accuracy rate for human physicians was just 20%. The system works using a novel chain of debate model. You can imagine it as a panel of AI agents analyzing clinical data, proposing different diagnostic theories, and debating them until they arrive at the most likely conclusion. This breakthrough has the potential to bring specialist level medical decision making to clinics in under resourced and remote areas around the globe. This week also saw a major move in the battle between open and closed AI models. Meta released Llama 3.1, a suite of powerful open source models, including a massive 405 billion parameter version, the largest of its kind to date. Meta's strategy is clear. They want Llama to become the Linux of AI. Just as Linux provided a free open foundation for software development, Meta wants Llama 3.1 to be the open foundational platform that a global ecosystem of AI applications is built upon. And they're making a bold claim that the largest open model now matches or even surpasses the performance of top tier closed models like OpenAI's GPT-4o on key industry benchmarks. But Meta is not the only player in the open source arena. The French company Mistral has released Mistral Large 2, and its focus is squarely on efficiency. Mistral's model is a champion of performance per watt. It manages to match or even exceed the performance of much larger models from its competitors, but with significantly fewer parameters, making it much cheaper to run. It boasts impressive specs, including a large 128,000 token context window and advanced multilingual skills. By making the model available on Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, and Amazon Bedrock, Mistral is targeting businesses that want cutting edge performance without the high operational costs of running enormous models. However, the methods used to train these powerful models are facing renewed scrutiny. A controversy has erupted around Anthropic's web crawler known as CLAUDBOT, exposing the ongoing practice of aggressive, non consensual data harvesting. The popular repair website iFixit reported that the bot hit its server about a million times in a single day, costing them over $5,000. Freelancer.com called it the most aggressive crawler ever seen after it hammered their site 3.5 million times in just 4 hours. This has culminated in a lawsuit from Reddit, which is suing Anthropic for allegedly scraping its user generated content after the two companies failed to reach a data licensing agreement. Now, moving into the world of physical AI, we are seeing two very different strategies play out in the field of robotics. First, there is Tesla's grand vision for the Optimus humanoid robot. The design for the third generation is now finalized, but full scale production has been delayed to early 2026. Its first real world job would be quite simple, serving as food runners at Tesla's supercharger diner. But the long term goal remains incredibly ambitious to produce 1 million robots per year within 5 years. In sharp contrast, Ghost Robotics, which makes four legged dog like robots for specialized tasks, has found immediate market success. These robots are already being used in defense and industrial applications, and the company's value was just proven by a major acquisition. The South Korean defense firm LIG Next One just acquired a 60% stake, valuing Ghost Robotics at $400 million. Finally, we are seeing AI become more deeply integrated into the essential tools that businesses use every day. For example, the design tool Figma now allows users to generate interactive app prototypes just by describing them in natural language. Microsoft is making it easier for businesses of all sizes to customize their own AI models on its Azure cloud platform. In health tech, Amazon recently acquired Bee, a startup making AI powered wearable health bracelets. And Tech Mahindra has launched a dedicated AI platform called TechM Orion for clients in banking, healthcare, and manufacturing. This trend is backed by hard numbers. A new report shows that 65% of organizations are now regularly using generative AI in at least one area of their business. This is up from just a third of companies the previous year, showing just how rapidly this technology is being adopted. That brings us to the end of the show. Thank you for watching. Be sure to click join at the bottom of this video to join our channel as a member and stay up to date on all the latest developments in this incredible field. Thank you for watching.